Hello, I just wanted to make a short Fusion video. Sometimes you can have a small sketch problem. People say you should always have stuff constrained, but like in this case, I want to rotate the sketch part, but I cannot do that because originally everything was constrained, which means it was locked in 3D space. And then I have this, which is still constrained, and I cannot figure out what's doing it. This is a sketch point. This is a sketch point. Is all locked to its own objects. I could go here and I can delete it, but you know, it's not actually removing that specific constraint. So how do you remove this so you can sort of unconstrain everything so you can rotate it? Well, you have a feature called fix. Normally you would use this to force constrain a part that you cannot really constrain. You just lock it in place. So what you do is you lock it in place, and then you redo it and you select unfix, and then it removes any kind of constraints that you have listed to it. Same down here, I have another one here. Fix it and then unfix it, and you can see how the whole sketch is unconstrained, which means that I can now go and select the whole thing. See if I can. I would select everything. I think I need to use freefall. There. And now I want to, just because I want to extrude it through, but I don't want to do it directly, so I want to rotate it a bit. Now you can see it rotated the wrong way. I'm just gonna hide the model a little bit. Okay, there. Move. It is kind of slow doing this. But you can see now I have sort of rotated it a little bit. Let's see what kind of degrees that is. So let's say I want to rotate it 15 degrees. Okay. If I had tried to rotate it with the points constrained, it would not work. So now you can see it was online on that. Now it's a little bit off center. So when I do another extrude here now, the extrusion will be going a little bit upwards. So you can see now I have the air holes are angled upwards. So that's how you can just fix those things that are sort of locked in place. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.